So, why you be wanting to join a crew? Is it for the gold, or do I smell another reason?
I feel I'm doomed if I stay on land.
Damned, you say? Oh, lad, let me tell you a story about being damned. 2 years ago, the Tempest set out from Lundy. 'Twas a brutal fog on the sea that day. An hour into the watch, the lookout called, "Prize." We ran her down, like a shark. Her crew was a mangy lot, no fight in 'em. Since they didn't speak our tongue, they were no use to us for crew. So to the plank they went. 'Twas odd, they went without pleading, none spoke, save one.
Strigoi.
The boys set to plunder in the wine and grog, but the ship held no cargo, save for one thing. How I wish we'd thrown it overboard, but alas, as night fell, the horror began. When it ended, there were but 3 left alive. Others had turned. It spoke but one word to me.
Crew.
And I said, aye. So, still looking for a ship, boy? Ha 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 ha. If you change your mind, lad, just ask for Captain Renfield. I'm always looking for crew.